This is J. Venkateswar Rao, Assistant Professor in Department of CSE, CIET. Now we are discussing about functions. Functions. What is a function? What are the different types of functions? Functions. A function is a set of statements that take inputs, do some specific computation, and produces output. A function is nothing but set of statements. What is a program? Program is also nothing but a set of statements. And sometimes we also define a program is set of functions. A function is a set of statements that take input, do some specific computation, and produces output. Python gives you many built-in functions like print, input, evaluation, etc. But you can also create your own functions. These functions are called user-defined functions. We are having two types of functions: built-in functions and user-defined functions. Built-in functions, also sometimes called library functions, are also predefined functions. Okay, in every language some built-in functions are there. For example, in C programming or Java programming, or take any other programming language, the developers developed some used functions, their functionality designed by them. That functions are called the user-defined, predefined functions. Also like that, second one, predefined, user-defined functions are there. Python gives you many built-in functions, and these functions are built-in functions, library functions, predefined functions. Some functions, when we create based on our requirement, that functions are called user-defined functions. See that built-in functions example: print, input, and evaluation function. User-defined function example: def is a keyword, that is the function definition. My underscore addition is a function name, and in parenthesis x comma y, that is parameters are arguments we mentioned. In my addition function there are two arguments, then after colon is there, sum is a variable, sum equal to x plus y, return sum. This is the syntax of user-defined function. Functions provide better modularity for your application and a high degree of code reusing. Modularity is nothing but functions also called as modular programming. That is nothing but one problem, big problem is there. That problem is divided into smaller problems. That is top to bottom. Big problem, that is divided into smaller problem 1 and smaller problem 2. Again, that smaller problem 1 is divided into sub problems. Again also sub problem 2 is also divided into sub problems. Like that, top to bottom, the problem is consequently divided into sub problem. That is a modularity. Modularity means modularity is nothing but modules. We divide the function into smaller functions like that. And Functions are also use code reusability. That is, whenever we develop one function code, wherever that function is used, that code reusability, that is that function code is used another way, that is the code reusable, that is reusable. In object oriented programming, function reusability is play an important role using functions. Again, simple rules to define functions in Python. Function block begins with the keyword def. Already we see before example, previous example, def is a keyword. Def is a keyword, that is function definition keyword, followed by the function name and parenthesis, followed by function name and parenthesis. The code block, any input parameters or arguments should be placed within these parentheses. In parenthesis, no arguments is possible, and one argument is possible, and more than one argument is also possible. Based on our requirement, we give the arguments to the function. The code block within every function starts with a colon. Colon is indented. Indented is nothing but indentation. In Word document, we always check the indentation, that is paragraph indentation and bullets or other table indentation, etc. Like that, in function, indentation is very important in Python programming. The statement return exists a function optionally passing back an expression to the caller. A return statement with no argument is the same as return none. Return none means no arguments in the function parenthesis. Return none means no arguments, no value returned to the calling function. No value returned to the calling function. If value returned, that value returned to the calling function. Here two functions are there. One is calling function and called function. In C programming, main is the calling function and other function is the called function. The called function returned the value to the calling function. Okay, function syntax. This is the function syntax. See this. Here, definition function, definition, that is the keyword. Already we told. Function name, function underscore name is the name of the function, and parameters. In parenthesis, required parameters are there, and colon is there. Colon, that is indentation. Function body, statement 1, statement 2, so on up, and the return expression. This is the syntax of the function. Syntax of the function.